all doing good. Today is day 7 of Virtually BGMC Summer Camp video series. Today we have 3 really fun activities for you. First, we have the spaghetti and marshmallow tower challenge. Yeah, you'll be building a tower as high as you can using only marshmallows, spaghetti, and tape. Second, it's time to work out our legs with a leg circuit exercise routine with Miss Nikki. And third, we have an arts and crafts project, and we'll be making origami paper cranes. So hope you guys have fun with these activities. Again, we would love to see how these turn out. So you can share what you did by sending an email to virtual@bgcmc.org or leave a comment on our website, virtuallybgmc.org, under that activity. All right, have fun, and I'll see you guys next time.